Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, we are going to analyze index, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we will also look at stocks which we can invest. And are there any stocks which are actually giving any breakout this week? So we will do an analysis on a weekly time frame, and let's see uh, how we can find good stocks for investment. So let's get started. I will first take you to Nifty chart. Okay, so this is Nifty chart on a 5-minute time frame. So what we will do is we will go to a weekly time frame now. So let me delete all of the drawings we have. So I have used a simple indicator here, super trend, and simple moving averages 20, 200 and 5. Okay, so this is the 200 period moving average, and this is your 20, and then the 5 is the purple one. Okay, so why these three moving averages? Because when the price is in uptrend, the 5 period moving average will be very close to the price, and 20 will be little far, and 20 will act as a point where it can bounce. So this is your change in the pattern kind of a setup, where if the price goes below 20, then you can expect there will be a fall till 200 period moving average, and once it breaks 200 period moving average, then the trend will change. Usually that is the understanding in a nutshell. So let's look at the price action right now on Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is at a all-time high now, which is 23,323. Okay, on a weekly time frame. As you can see, for a moment we can just remove these indicators, and let's look at simple price action chart. Okay, let me draw some lines. Okay, so this is the previous high, and this is the next high. Okay, so this was the previous high. After this, there was a breakout which happened from this level, and the market started moving up. So now it's in a good uptrend, as we can see. So have we reached to the top that we can expect some kind of selling? Then we have to look at the Nifty PE ratio. So this is a free site, Nifty PE ratio site, where you can go and check what is the PE ratio for Nifty. As of now, it is 23 for the month of July. So you can look at this chart. Whenever the PE ratio was high, you could have expected a fall in the market. So market will get over exaggerated when the PE ratio goes high. Like this was 42 and the market fell down to about 7,000. So now we are at a very good stable range of PE ratio, which is 23.15, and the market is all time high. You can see wherever the crash happened, it was at 28, it crash happened. Then 25, nothing major happened. It was an uptrend. Only at 42, it dropped. So P ratio will give you a broad level. So I can say that it is not overbought as of now. Okay, so it is still at a good level only. There can be consolidation for few more days, but yes, it is not the time for you to actually wind up your portfolio. So hold on, and if you want to book profit, let's wait for some more time. Let's look at the monthly time frame here and identify the breakout levels. Okay, so this was your swing low, previous swing low from the monthly time frame. From this was your all-time high. From there, this was the low. So if I have to measure this, here is the measuring tool. Yes, price range. So from here till here. Okay, so this is the price range which we have got. Now what we'll do is we'll just simply pick this up and put it here. Okay, so this will be your target for Nifty, which is around 30,000 mark. So Nifty can go up to 30,000, then we can expect some kind of retracement. So this is what a simple breakout logic I'm telling, but it can hit 30,000, may not be immediately, it can take some time. Anything can happen in the market, and there can be a volatile session, or if the budget comes very well, then it can hit 30,000 so easily. So that is one thing you need to look at it. And let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also at the same pattern. The chart is looking like a rocket. So people who have invested post Corona, all of them are in profit because the market has been trending only in upward direction. From here, this was a Corona crash, and from there it started moving up. So we can expect some kind of positivity in Bank Nifty as well, because you can see what will be the target for Bank Nifty from the high to fall. From the previous high. Yes, from here. So this will be the target, which is about 68,000. And remember, this is on a monthly time frame, so it might take many months to reach here. So don't expect that ki next month yahan tak chala jayega. It is not possible. Okay, so this is how we analyze on simple price action, and we have to check for stocks which are available for some kind of breakout. Let's look at our indicators. We have multiple indicators here which we have created. So usually I use super trend weekly time frame, so I'll show that to you. It's a free tool, anybody can use it. Okay, so this is also, I'm doing this condition on Nifty 500 stocks with a super trend of 14.2.5. So why Nifty 500? These are the best stocks which you can get basis the fundamental. So your fundamental analysis is taken care. If you choose any stocks which is like Nifty 100, will be the best stocks which you can get with proper fundamental analysis. So there is a weekly close above weekly super trend 14.25. So Infosys and HCL, two are appearing here. So let's check for understanding how they appear on the chart. HCL Technologies. HCL Technologies. So basically you're going and selecting fundamentally good stocks and looking for a breakout on a technical analysis. So HCL actually bounced from the 200 period moving average, and it gave a breakout on the 14 period super trend on a weekly time frame is what we need to look at it. So did I look? Yes, on a weekly time frame it gave a good bounce and it is giving a breakout, so it is still in uptrend, so which is good for you. So you can actually invest in HCL Technologies. Okay, for the new people who are watching this, if I have to give an understanding how this indicator works, so weekly time frame, you put super trend here and wait for the candle to close above super trend and wait for the next week candle to close, and then you make an entry here. Okay, this third candle, and your stop loss will be this super trend figure. So whatever this number is 982 minus this 874. Okay, for example, let's calculate 982 minus 874 is equal to 108 points. So 108 points into how much you're going to risk. So suppose this is, you want to risk about 5,000 rupees per trade. So 108 is equal to 46 shares you can buy. So that even if your stop loss is hit, you will lose only 5,000 rupees. So from here you have to keep trailing the stop loss and see the results. So from 982 it has gone up to 1474. You can hold it till it candle closed below the super trend. So the same logic, once the candle closes below the super trend, next candle you wait and buy. So 982 minus 874 is equal to 108. So 108 is equal to 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 get exit out of this. So this is a very simple strategy for your investing, and you can keep doing every week wherever you find some stocks like this. Now if I have to look at Nifty, say Nifty 200 stocks, let's look at Nifty 200 stocks and see, we got Patanjali Foods. So Patanjali Foods पे analysis करते हैं. So Patanjali Foods on a super trend is doing fantastic. Okay, let me add 200 period moving average also. So this is also decent. Okay, so it has given a nice breakout. There is a volume as well. So this volume indicates something good. So you can invest in this next week. Next week there will be a red candle, and then you can get a price at a discounted rate so that you can buy. Okay, let's look at Infi again. Did I see it on wrong time frame? Weekly time frame. Yes, I think I've seen it on a very wrong time frame. So Infi has been bouncing from 200 once, twice, now also thrice. So it came up to 200 and it bounced. Why 200 is important? Because this is whole year's average price. So your financial institutions are always looking at a stock to be bought at a 200 period moving average price. So that is a discounted price for any stock. Any stock is appearing just at 200 period moving average, which has good fundamentals, then you can take an entry once it bounces from this level. So Infi is at a very good level now. You can buy it on a weekly time frame. Okay, let's look at monthly time frame also. Monthly time frame, yes, this was the all-time high. So it is nearing all-time high. So there is a possible breakout, or if you are too cautious, then you can buy about this level, which is 1834. We have to wait for the breakout. So this is how simply we analyze stocks and invest. So my investments are in multiple companies as of now. One of them is TVS Motors. Let's check the stock. TVS Motors on a weekly time frame is, I have been holding it from here. Okay, so then still going up. I exited some part here, and then again I got some part here. So then it is in continuation. Then let's see Glen Pharma, I guess. I think recent investment is Glen Pharma. Yeah, look at this Glenmark Pharma. Nice breakout. Okay, let's remove the noise. Let's look at the super trend and the way it is capturing the entire move. So now it has gone really far from super trend. It will consolidate for a while, and if it breaks down, then that's the time for you to exit. Okay, so like this we analyze the stocks, and you can use one simple indicator, which is this super trend 14.2.5, and then pick up the stocks for investment from the Nifty 50 lot, Nifty 50 or Nifty 100, and wait for a crash. If you are seeing that market are oversold, then wait for the crash where you get the prices of these good stocks at a very good rate. So that's how you make money. Big money, actually, not normal, but big money can be made if you wait for the right timing and then wait for a crash or at least the correction. Only then you should invest. If you are doing an SIP, you can always do it, and you can get the fixed returns which are possible and committed by the institutions. But if you're somebody who has time, just spend about half an hour weekly, put this charting screener here, and then you can search for the stocks. Like if I have to look at 500, let's see how many stocks come up. So there are JM Financial, EPL Limited, Clean Science, Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, KIMS, Infosys, HCL, Sham Metallic we have already seen. So let's try and see one more stock, which is Kim's. Let's look at Kim's chart for understanding. Okay, so this is your Kim's chart. Okay, so it's listed year is about 2021, June 2021. From there, the stock has been running very nicely. People usually, new stocks, they won't go like this, and this is a very special case. Looks like it has gone nicely up, but the volumes are not great in this breakout, so be very cautious. I don't recommend this stock, and this is the all-time high. So let it cross its all-time high, only you can then take a entry in this. Then you look at JM Financial. Let's see what is JM Financial Limited. Please do not invest in this. You can see this stock has the capability of going up, down, and taking away your money. So it's a waste of time. Next is EPL. EPL has given a good breakout with volume. Let's put the 200 and see where it is. It is bouncing from 200, which is a good spot for you to buy. Okay, so just do your analysis and invest as per your own risk appetite. I'm not asking you to follow my advice. I'm just showing you the way you should do your analysis on a weekly basis. If I remove the super trend also, you can see it is easily bouncing from 200. Okay, so this is how we are going to analyze, and this is how you can pick up stocks for your investments. Intraday trading, there are too many taxes these days, and if you're somebody who is having a small capital, I wouldn't suggest you to do intraday trading. You will end up paying a lot of tax. So even if you have find an algo which can give you good returns, then you can go for it. Like these days I do only algo trading, which I switch it on and leave it, which gives me about 4 to 5% a month, which is very enough for me. It depends upon your requirement, your trading style. 4 to 5% on a big capital is also very good. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked and learned something new. Of course, these are some things which you need to have an understanding of the market, and then only you can learn this. Otherwise, these videos are no use to you if you do not have any interest. So stay tuned. If you are interested to watch this kind of content, you can always subscribe, and there are about 200 plus videos on this channel where I have given multiple strategies, multiple ways of analyzing a stock, and also options trading strategies I have already posted. So you can go through that and learn from those strategies. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.